All right, do something a little bit differently. This is the current water vapor satellite. This is the current storm right in here, and it is tracking up. Here is the next storm. That's the storm that is that Wednesday, late afternoon, night, Thursday morning storm. And I will say, so far the models are looking really nice on this. Let's go ahead and actually look and see why it's important what this current storm today does. So this current storm, this is the 500 millibar pattern here. You see it move up and it sets up that. That is the blocking that allows this to make a negative tilt and form off the coast and track where it does. It doesn't just escape out. That is very important. And that pretty much sets up the evolution. This is the latest European guidance. So that's our current storm exiting. Some rain, snow showers, depending where you are. And then, boom, here comes the main storm. And it's pretty. It is pretty. So, let's take a look at a couple things here. This is my weather map. My first time making a weather map. Here it is. I'm thinking like 12 plus is definitely possible in and around the area. I think, here it is, 6 to 12, 3 to 6. I kind of spell it out here. I'm curious if how much this will, change. I didn't want to say how much more than 12 because, with these type of storms, I feel like sometimes you could get spots where you have, 18 inches here and there's 12 inches here because they were just in a nice band and you weren't. So it kind of depends on where all the banding sets up. Think of it like, when a line of thunderstorms come through and you have one spot that gets nailed. My mom's house, pouring rain, in my house, nothing. So it's kind of like that within the bands and how they set up and how they rotate. But I feel like New York City, you might see a little bit of mixing in the beginning, but I feel like that will go quickly to snow. I think this is going to be a mainly snow event for New York City. This is the National Weather Service, not mine, National Weather Service weather map. You can see all these orange areas, including New York City, 12 to 18, and then they have some little lollipop spots here of 18 to 24, specifically on Harrisburg. That every model run has been showing Harrisburg is getting crushed. But yeah, they got a pretty nice spread here. Again, I wouldn't want to say, I don't think 18 is more on the high end. When I say 12 plus, I'm thinking like 13, 14, 18 I feel like is a lot, much higher in the spectrum. If I get 18, which is what they're saying here, I would be beyond floored. Now here's something actually I want to show. This is the European ensemble guidance. Probability of total snowfall of greater than 6 inches. They have this entire area at over 100%. I've seen plenty of storms go through, and I've checked this product plenty of times, and I don't think I remember seeing 100% this early on. The percentage, 100%, that's crazy. They're saying everyone over here is going to get more than 6 inches. If it doesn't snow, it's going to be kind of funny. And I've seen that happen. I've seen it where it hasn't snowed. So, yeah, let's go back to the weather map that I made here. Again, this is first go of it. And it just looks good. And, today's event kind of sets the table to make this possible. And just to show you kind of what's going on right now out there, this is the rain snow line. It's actually snowing out here. It's not sticking, but it is snowing out the window. You can't really see. Kind of light. It's kind of ruining that. But yeah, here's, a lot of you just getting rain or might be seeing some flakes, but a little bit north and west of us, it looks like they can get an inch or two out of this. Not much supposed to have happened with this storm, but like I said, this storm here, the one that we're experiencing now, directly influences the storm that's going to swing through, and you see that influence right here. That little block that. It sets up, allows this to tilt negative, and boom, away we go with a nice storm. All right, that's it. That was an update. So we'll see what happens. Models are still, going. We'll keep on watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video in this different format. Have a good one, everyone.